Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about writing and solving inequalities. So being able to write an inequality from a word problem and then solve that inequality and give the solution. So number 1 says the maximum load for a certain elevator. So already I know what my inequality is going to be. Maximum tells me that this elevator can hold no more than 2,000 pounds or less than or equal to 2,000 pounds. It says the total weight of the passengers in the elevator is 1,400 pounds. So people that are already on the elevator weigh 1,400 pounds. A delivery man who weighs 243 pounds enters the elevator with a crate of an unknown weight. So there's my unknown. Write and solve an inequality to show the values of W that will not exceed the weight limit of the elevator. So I'm going to say that W equals weight. And that's going to be the weight of the crate. So my inequality is going to be the crate plus the man who gets on the elevator with the crate plus the 1,400 pounds that's already on the elevator is less than or equal to 2,000 pounds. So when I solve this inequality, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to combine like terms. So W plus 1643 is less than or equal to 2,000. And then I'm going to subtract 1,643. And I get W is less than or equal to 357 pounds. So this crate can weigh up to 357 pounds and still be on the elevator with the man and all of the other people. Number 2 says the tank of gas in Danny's car holds at most 15 gallons. So there's my inequality symbol, at most 15 gallons. If he has already filled the car with 8 gallons of gas, write and solve an inequality to find out how much more gas he can put in the car. So I'm going to say that X is gallons of gas. I know that my inequality is going to include the 8 gallons of gas, my variable, and then 15. So if I want to know how many gallons can still go in the car after I've already put in 8 of them, and I can hold at most 15 gallons of gas. I'm going to subtract 8. So X is less than or equal to 7 gallons of gas. Number 3 says a new roller coaster is set to open at Cedar Point this season, and you must be at least 60 inches tall to ride it. Rafa is 58 inches tall. Write and solve an inequality to find how many half-inch inserts he must put in his shoes to ride the roller coaster. So X is going to be the number of half-inch inserts. So my inequality is going to be 1/2 times X. So 1/2 times the number of inserts plus 58 inches needs to be greater than or equal to 60 inches because I have to be taller than 60 inches or 60 inches tall to ride this roller coaster. So 1/2 X plus 58 is greater than or equal to 60. So minus 58. So 1/2 X is greater than or equal to 2. I'm going to multiply by 2 on both sides. And X is greater than or equal to 4 inserts. Number 4 says a full year membership to a gym costs $325 up front with no monthly charge. So that's the only thing that you're paying at this particular gym. A monthly membership at the same gym costs $100 up front and $30 per month. For what number of months is it less expensive? So that tells me my inequality, less expensive, to have a monthly membership. So X is going to be the months. And I'm going to write the monthly membership side first because I want the monthly membership side to be less expensive. So it costs $100 per month plus $100 up front, plus $30 per month, and I want that to be less expensive than $325. So my inequality is 100 plus 30x is less than 325. I want the monthly membership, which is this side, to be less than the upfront cost for the year. So I'm going to subtract 100. 30x is less than 225. And when I divide by 30, I get x is less than 7.5. But remember, when you're paying for a gym and you're paying for monthly membership, you're paying per month. You're not paying for half of a month. So I want to see which one is going to put me over the top. Is it going to be 7 months or is it going to be 8 months? Because technically at 7.5, I should round up. So 30 times 8 plus 100 is 340. That's too high. So I'm actually going to round this one down to less than 7 months. Number 5 says the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. Okay, so the sum of any two lengths, so I'm going to add the two sides together, must be greater than the third side. So there's my inequality. If the two side lengths are represented by x plus 4 and 2x plus 3 inches, write and solve an inequality to find possible side lengths of the third side if the third side is 19 inches long. So this is going to be side length. So I'm going to do x plus 4 plus 2x plus 3, and that needs to be greater than the third side of 19 inches. So x plus 4 plus 2x plus 3 is greater than 19. So 3x plus 7 is greater than 19. I'm going to subtract 7. So 3x is greater than 12. I divide by 3. And x is greater than 4. Okay. So this one, they give you what you're supposed to do with the two pieces and then what inequality you're supposed to use. So this is truly a rule in triangles. So when I add up two sides of a triangle, that should be greater than the third side. No matter which two sides I'm adding together, it should be greater than the side that you're not using. And that's how we can find missing side lengths.